Today we're exploring the Instant Pot 75QT RIO Wide 7-in-1 electric multi-cooker, a powerful all-in-one appliance that makes home cooking faster, easier, and more versatile. With its 7.5-quart capacity and wide base, it's perfect for families, gatherings, or meal prep sessions, offering professional-level results with minimal effort. The RIO Wide functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer, providing unmatched flexibility for preparing soups, stews, rice, steamed vegetables, yogurt, and more. Its large searing base ensures even browning and cooking, while the wide mouth design makes stirring, adding ingredients, and cleaning simple. One of the standout features is the whisper-quiet steam release, which allows pressure cooking with minimal noise, while maintaining precise temperature and pressure. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, the intuitive controls make it easy to select cooking modes or adjust settings for your favorite dishes. Pause. This multi-cooker is perfect for anyone looking to save time, counter space, and effort. You can prepare multiple types of meals with one appliance, reduce cleanup, and enjoy consistent results every time. Its sturdy construction, non-stick inner pot, and easy-to-clean surfaces make it a convenient, long-lasting addition to any kitchen. The Instant Pot 75QT RIO Wide is ideal for families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants a reliable all-in-one cooking solution. From quick weeknight dinners to healthy steamed vegetables and homemade yogurt, it covers every aspect of home cooking efficiently. In summary, the Instant Pot 75QT RIO Wide 7-in-1 multi-cooker combines versatility, power, and convenience, making it a must-have for modern kitchens. With November deals and Black Friday sales, now is the perfect time to upgrade your cooking setup and enjoy faster, easier, and tastier meals.